Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and I'm super excited because I'm going to be sharing with you one card using the brand new Flowering Field Suite. Now this one has a gorgeous designer series paper, and if you know me, you know I love the tulips. And so look at all this paper, it's just all bright colors and of course gorgeous tulips, good bright patterns, and of course see this one. And that one is the last one. So definitely the paper is just to die for. So seriously, you're gonna love it. And you can see I have here a little piece that I'm gonna be using here, but seriously, this design series paper is just amazing. I'm also gonna be using the brush brass butterflies, which is new. And what I love is that you can see they're really thin. They add that something without adding that bulkiness to your cards. And we're also gonna be using the brand new bundle, which is called the Flowering Tulips, which as you can see here, it has a stamp set. This one is great because it has really good sentiments. Thank yous, birthdays, love you, thinking of you, Mother's Day. So I think this is amazing. But really, the best part of the whole thing, I think, is the dies, because it helps you make beautiful tulips and have that dimension and texture. I've already done 2 of them so that you can see them for this card, and you can see here you can play with different colors, and at the end I'll share with you a card class where I am featuring some of these, and you'll see that I changed different colors for these ones, but I just feel like this one is just amazing. So let's go. Oh, and again, when you purchase this together, you save 10% if you buy the bundle together. But anyway, but let's just go again and see what we have here for our project today. My card base is what is this? Blackberry Bliss, and it is 8.5 by 5.5. Then I have a piece of the Highland header, and this is just a scrap that is 1/2 inch by like 5.5. Let me see if turning my lights would help this. There you go. Then I have a piece of basic white, and this one is 5 by 3 3/4, and I've already pre-embossed this one, as you can see, using the checks and dots embossing folder. I have another piece of Highland heather, and this one is 5 1/4. Oh my gosh, yeah, 5 1/4. Let me just make sure. Yeah, 5 1/4 by 4. Okay. And then a piece of the designer series paper, and this one is 1.5 by 5.5. Now I'm going to be cutting this one out because I want it to be matching the basic white, but anyway, it's there. I also have cut out a circle with the layering circles, and this one is about 2.5. And then I cut another of the labels from the seasonal dies in the Blackberry Bliss, and this is the one that is carrying over from the July through December mini catalog. So this one is still available. And then I've already die cut and put together my tulips. I've used in this one Gorgeous Grape and Highland header. And then I have 3 of the leaves with the old olive. And you can see here there's different leaves. I have on this one the small one. All right, now for our first part, we're gonna be using the circle, and we're gonna be stamping this stem for our flowers. Now the other thing is that because I wanted to have a small a thin for my layout, a thin sentiment, I'm actually going to be using a separate stamp set for the sentiment, because I want something that was smaller to fit there. And I love this one from the Pansy Patch that says a little hello from me to you. I think that I can use this one for any occasion card, and so definitely wanted to use that. All right, so let's just get it started. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and fold this one in half. Let's go ahead, and then we're going to go ahead and let's adhere these 2 pieces together. So let's just get our, oh my gosh, did I list again my adhesive? I'm always losing adhesive here, as you know. But it's just, oh, here it is. It's like, it's just kind of frustrating because every single time it's like, I know it's here, but yet I'm always losing it, you know? So anyway. I just need to remove this one here in a second. Alrighty. We're going to go ahead and line it up here. And then we're going to go ahead and cut out this section. This one, as you can see, it was a scrap that I had, right? And I just cut out whatever piece left I have, right? So anyway, the next thing is, for this in particular, I'm going to go ahead and use my, what is this? The tear and tape. And we're going to go ahead and put some ribbon. Alrighty. And we're going to be taking the reversible ribbon. I've been using this for several of my projects. And in fact, the card class that I'm about to share with you here at the end of this video, you're going to see that I use it as well for that, for those projects. Okay. And now I can go ahead and glue. Oh, yeah. I'm like, wait. Yeah. I'm like, yes, all is good so far. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put it here. Okay. And then we're going to be adding this one to our card base. Look at how beautiful this looks. And then let's just stamp our sentiments in this section. Now for these, I'm going to bring the pierce mat. Anytime I have pieces that are, or not pieces, but stamp images that are photopolymer, I'd like to use my pierce mat. I get a better transfer of the images. So let's just stamp first the sentiment. And like I said, I thought this one was great for any occasions. There you go, see? A little hello from me to you. And then we're going to bring the old olive and use the stem for our tulips. Let me move this one out. And so for this one, we want to have something like these, right? So let's just bring the old olive. I have that one there. Okay. Alrighty. So once I have those pieces, then I can glue. Oh, I actually like this one like so. Right. So let's just start putting these pieces together. And for these, again, where is the adhesive? I lost it again. Oh, here. I was like, what is the deal with me? We're going to be adding this one right here, and then this one right here. Oh, actually, right here, right? Yep. And then we're going to go ahead and add this ones. So first one. And see, we're going to be adding like so. Yep. Looks nice. Okay, once I have this piece, I'm just going to cut out following the circle here. okay? Because this one is going to go like so. And then for this one, we're going to bring our tailor tag punch. Cut out the sections. There you go. See? And it's going to look like so. I could probably cut a little bit more, make it a little bit tighter. You know? There you go. Yep, much better. And then we're going to go ahead and add this one right here. And then we can pop up everything on this one. Let's just pop up everything here. If I can find my dimensionals, because of course I lost them. Oh, here. It's like I lost them again. Okay. And so I'm going to have this one, that one. And then have this one right here. So I need a I need to glue this one, but then have 2 dimensionals here. So let's just bring 2 dimensionals right there. And we're gonna be adding this one right here, right? And then we can add some of these butterflies. Okay, so let's just bring this one and we're gonna go ahead and add a few of these butterflies. See? And I feel like this looks really nice. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it with that, although, do I want another? No, I think I'm going to leave it that way. I don't want to have too many. I think that one is enough. But see how beautiful this looks, right? And it just brings all colors together really nice. So anyways, hopefully you have enjoyed. Like I said, this is the Flower and Feel Suite, and I know you're going to love it. And I'm going to have a class available for you to take. Which features this one. So make sure you are on my mailing list. You can go here at creatingwithelly.com and then sign up there, or you can go here in the description where it says bit.ly stay in contact / stay in contact with Ali, and then get on so that you get the information as far as when this next class featuring the same set that I am sharing here with you comes available. So this one is Flower and Feels, and this one is the Flowering Tulips, is that right? Flowering Tulips card class, and you can see here, but all of the cards are just really nice, and again, it features that amazing set of dice that we have now. Alright, so thank you so much. I'm also going to be putting here in the description, once it's available, I'll have it here in the description of this video so that you have access to the tutorial PDF as well. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.